Imagine with struggling with how to make extra cash online. Do you know that you can make like $100, $500, $1,000 monthly by doing a simple design? I'm here to show you a secret in which has been using to bag in bucks online, which is by designing on PosterMyWall. PosterMyWall have a lot of design in which you click on this template here. You will see a lot of designing which some designers has made. Come under flyers in which these are the examples of flyers in which some designers have designed before, in which you can just share your ideas from. You can click on edit to edit the design. But if you want to make extra cash by designing on this PosterMyWall, you need to create an account by going on Google, search for PosterMyWall and click on PosterMyWall and come to where we have create for you to click on login for you to create an account in which you'll be asked to enter your details like your email address. You can log in with your Google account or you can sign up for free using your you can sign up with your email, or you can sign up with your Google account by clicking on create an account. Clicking on create continue to Google, in which you'll be asked you to use your Google account in which you have logged in on your browser. But just click on the account in which you want to make use of now. If you don't want to make use of the first account, you can come to the second account and enter your details as simple as ABC. But I've opened an account with PosterMyWall. This is my account, and these are designs which I've made. As you can see now, these are the you can see to use and likewise these are the sales which I've made using this platform. As you can see now, I make 2 sales by designing a simple Kindle cover, but they have used this 6 people have used this design freely. What uses me is that you can customize my design and turn it to your own design, but you can't download it in high resolution, and they are going to watermark the design, that this design belongs to PosterMyWall, not your own personal design. But if you want to own the design, you can just pay for the premium version. As you can see now, we have the premium pending till December 1st, and these are the one that has been processed. As you can see, these are designs which I've done by using this platform. But now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how you can start your own design. Click on design. We're going to make use of t-shirt mock-up as an example. Since I told them I'm going to make use of t-shirt mock-up, I went on line. I asked ChatGPT to provide me with t-shirt design. As you can see, we have different type of prompts here. I asked, as you can see, I have write different image prompts to generate t-shirt mock-up images on white background. As you can see, these are the outcome of the prompts in which I enter. It gave me like 10 different prompts in which I entered on ideogram. This is the prompt in which I entered on ideogram, and ideogram brought out this design. As you can see, let me show you. You can see the different version of it. This is the outcome in which ideogram brought out, but I'm going to make use of, let me make use of this brown color. Click on this color here, dot here, and click on this download. Click on JPEG version of it. This is the design. Let me click on design so that you can see how the design look, the mock-up version of the prompt in which I enter. This is the outcome of the mock-up. Now I'm going to my account on PosterMyWall. Click on blank design. If you try to choose any of design here, they won't allow you to list this design. They won't allow you to send this design on their platform. You are expected to click on blank design. Click on it. Now you have the popular sizes in which you can use. You can use any of these sizes here, but since I'm going for t-shirt design, I prefer to make use of something that look square. I mean square in form. That's why I normally make use of Instagram design here, Instagram post here. Click on Instagram post. It will come in blank sheets. Now this is the blank sheet in which it comes with. Now come where we have this my upload. Click on my upload and click on upload media. Navigate to where you have your downloads, the version, the design which you downloaded. Now this is the one which I downloaded from Ideogram. Click on open and it will be uploaded to this place. As you can see, under my upload I have a lot of upload in which I've made. As you can see, these are the uploading which I've uploaded on this PosterMyWall. Now this is the design. Let me try to resize it so that it can fit in with the design. Click on save. Now since you want to showcase that they can make use of this design either by buying the design or by making use of the design, we need to put some text so that it can look professional and okay. Now I asked ChatGPT to provide me with some words in which I can use. This one is under nature and adventure. Find me where the white things are. Adventures are waiting. You can choose coffee because adult is hard. Run late in my cardio. Now let me make use of this one. I think I have earth-minded, earth still life. Click copy it. Come to where we have text here. You have different texts in which you can choose from here. We have the plain text, we have the fancy text. On fancy text, you will be given different styles in which you can choose from. But since I'm designing for, it's depending on your creativity. You can choose from this fancy one. Let me try to make use of this visual now. We have different fonts for this visual design. You can use this Stella, you can use Titania, you can use Shamrock. Let's make use of this Shamrock. Let me paste this thing here, but I just want to paste the first one. 80 minds. You can change the color. Let me click on add fancy text. As you can see now, come down to where we have it here. 80 mind. You can also come down to where we have the fonts so that you can choose different fonts. Since we are still working on this Shamrock, you can choose anyone that's related to the fonts in which you choose. As you can see, it has changed the font, but let me go back to where we have my Shamrock. 80 minds. Now you can also come down here and click on plain text. If you click on plain text, you'll be given an opportunity to do a lot of things here also. Let me just try to show you how this one also work. Come down here, you have different fonts. If you click on this railway, under the railway fonts, you can search here. If you click on search here, it will show you different categories of font that we have. We have handwriting, we have model, we have comic, we have techno, we have fancy, we have holiday, we have serif, we have sans serif. If you choose any of the category here, it will now show you subcategory under it. Since we choose this fancy now, you will see different fonts that are under fancy category. We have this Bernadette. We have different ones you can choose from. You can choose Barberland. You can choose anyone depending on what you are trying to achieve. As you can see, it's not look okay like professional. I'm just showing you how to make use of this thing. If you click on this one now, let's assume that we have chosen this one now. You can increase the size here. You can reduce it and increase the size. You can change the color here. You can use color. You can change the color to any color that you want. You can still come to this color picker here and use it to pick the color which you want. As you can see, I have two different style or types of fonts in which I use to make my design, and the two look okay and professional. Let me remove this one. We have this dots. Let me try to increase the fonts. As you can see, we have the two fonts look okay. Click on save. I want to show you something now. Since I'm done with this thing, let me click on file, come to submit as templates. You see something here, your design doesn't have enough content to use as template because they want you to provide all the necessary things in which a designer that want to buy this template that can make use of. It depends on your creativity. You can go online, search for icons and place the icons here just to showcase where we have this active minds, active life. Depend on how you are creative when it comes to designing t-shirts. But click on edit design. You can come to where we have media here. We have different things that you can choose from. You can choose from photo. You have AI image. You can generate your own AI image. You can choose from, let me choose, click on all, view all. You will see different shapes in which you can use. You will have different stickers. You will have different icons to choose from. Sorry, click on width. I think there's okay now it has. Okay, now you see under photo, you see different photos in which you can choose. You can use free photo, you can use paid version photo. You come to AI image here. We have shapes in which you can choose numerous shapes depending on how creative you are. You have sticker here, you have icon, we have videos. There are some designers in which they normally make their own design to be in video format, but that's not where we are going today. You can choose audio. You can use all this icon for Instagram, all the social media. You can use any of this thing here. But let's try, since we are doing something related to minds and something related to earth, let's try to make use of this flower. Let's make use of this flower. Click on select. You can use more. You can tick more than one element here. Now let's make use of this element. Click on add select. I want to add this element here. Let me place this one. I want it to be in between the two elements. Now you can click on it, come to where we have position in which it will be in the middle. Let's all our design be in the middle. Control A to highlight everything and come to where we have middle here. Everything has been centered to be in middle. Click on save. Let's go back to where we have file, submit as templates. See, now our design is okay, and now we have different category that you can place your design. You can make it to be minimalist or joyful depending on the type of what you have done, but I'm going to make use of those two things now. pastel and minimalist. Click on next. Now you are expected to give your design a name. Now I'm going to use as you can, this is the sample in which you are expected to follow. We have seen this one now, green floral Mother's Day Instagram post, but this one is about customized t-shirt for men. With as you can see, we have a suggestion here which is gray minimalist. Since our background color is in gray color, that's why it suggested this gray here. You can choose any of these now as suggestion. Now we choose any of these suggestions, you can still edit the suggestion, but let me make use of this the second one here. Now you can remove the gray, you can use professional, you can use anything. Now professional pasted, click on next here. Now we are expected to use tag t-shirt design custom t-shirts design for free download, brown t-shirts template, simple t-shirts mock-up, or you can use arts as the suggestion shows here. Click on submit. Boom, go back to my stuff. The design which I made now is under review. After, as you can see, it's under publish now. After they might have reviewed it and make their requirement, they are going to make it live, and it will be showing 00 for use as says. But when somebody purchases my design, it's going to show the number of purchases I've made on that design. When someone has used my design, it's going to show the number of uses in which they have used my design. As I have it here, in which, like the design here, I made 2 sales, and likewise 23 they have used the design 23 times. If you are new to this channel, kindly click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friend. See you in the next video. Bye for now. One love.